If you are one of the many who have lived in or ever visited the Adirondack North Country of New York, no doubt you are familiar with Adirondack balsam pillows. The aroma gets you first, a deep breath of the North Woods, a touch of evergreen to whisk your mind's eye back to the summer. Sometimes misleadingly called pine pillows, these souvenirs were stuffed with the chopped needles and twigs of balsam fir. As one local said, the people from the city called it all pine. They didn't realize that there's a difference between pine and balsam, but it was balsam. The balsam pillow has been an important source of income for families living year-round in the Adirondacks for over 100 years. Balsam fir's use in other Adirondack contexts is at least twice as old. In the wilderness lean-to as a bed, as a treatment for respiratory ailments, and as a popular Christmas tree, the balsam fir has provided the smell, evoking memories of the Adirondack North Country for generations. Before the souvenir variety, balsam pillows seem to be traditionally used for sleeping or lounging. Edna W. Teal grew up in the Adirondacks in the 1880s and wrote, "Balsam had a fragrance so nice for a pillow. It carried the aroma indoors. Put your head on a balsam pillow and a feel of the forest went with you to the land of dreams." The medicinal properties of balsam fir and its use in healing can be tracked well into the 20th century. In medicine, balsams refer to medicines that help alleviate symptoms regarding ailments of the respiratory passages and lungs. Balsam fir has been used by various Native American tribes in infusions for colds, coughs, asthma, and consumption. It was used in sweat baths and as a salve for cuts and sores. White frontier doctors learned to use it too, and it became an official medicine of the USP from 1820 to 1916. In recent memory, North Country residents have gathered and used balsam for home remedies. In 1987, Reverend Daisy Allen remembered, "A bit of balsam pitch mixed with a teaspoon of sugar was Uncle Delbert's cold remedy." I also remember a balsam pillow being placed under a sickly neighbor's head at night to help her breathe easier while she slept. Hamilton County stories are still told of Fred Smith's Balsa Gel, a mixture of Vaseline and balsam pitch collected by local children, sold among souvenirs at the trailhead of Blue Mountain. Balsam pitch is the active ingredient in Save the Baby, a medicine developed in upstate New York and sold since 1874. Because of its use in the treatment of respiratory ailments, balsam fir was even once thought of as a cure for tuberculosis. Beginning in November of every year, huge truckloads of Christmas trees roll out of the Adirondacks destined for the city markets. In 1878, the New York Times noted that busy streets seemed forest roads, so lined are they with trees of spruce, balsam, pine, and cedar. The principal dealers of these trees are reported to come from Herkimer County in the Adirondacks. Only halfway through the season, they are reported to have shipped 11 train carloads of trees to the city. The history of balsam's use as Christmas trees, medicinal cures, and a source of income can help us to understand the deeply rooted role of the balsam fragrance in the origins and popularity of the balsam pillow souvenir. Much of this popularity seems to come from a familiarity triggered by its distinctive smell. As Helen Bartlett Brigman wrote, "Memory, through perfume, has poignant power to leap to long-lost pleasures."